So the most important thing with taking your measurements is that you'll get somebody to help you. So maybe ask a parent, a friend, or a sibling to help you take your measurements. First up are the three main measurements, which is bust, waist, and hip. They all work the same way. So you'll go, for example, for the bust, around your apex and all the way over to your back, and make sure that you are on the widest portion of your bust. And while you do that, you also have to ensure that you are completely horizontal while taking the measurement. And then you just put a few fingers in to get some ease, and this is your bust measurement. Same goes for the waist, but of course the most narrow point, you want to be horizontal all the way over to the back, and just put a few fingers in for ease, and that is your waist measurement. For the hip, you want to do the same and make sure to move your measuring tape a bit up and down as to ensure that you are on your widest point of your hip. Put a few fingers in, and that is your measurement. You can put all of these measurements in my custom size chart up here, bust, waist, hip. On the slot for 1, you just put in your 3 measurements. Next up are the secondary measurements. So we want to measure on the back. The first thing that you have to do is find your 7th vertebra. It is right here, the one that protrudes the most. That is your neck point, which is right here, and then you'll just measure down on your back until the bust line, so right here. This is your RH. So you want to put this measurement into your RH right there. Next up is your RL, which you will also start from your neck point all the way down to your waistline. This one also has a dedicated spot right here where you're going to put it in. And then the next one, you'll start from your waistline and go down to your hip line, and that is your HT. Next up, you'll measure your HS, which is 1/4 of your neck circumference, and you'll put that in your HS. The next measurement is your BT1, where you will find your apex. You put your measuring tape around the neck, and you'll go back to the other apex. And that one goes into BT1. BT2 is what you calculate from BT1, which we'll do in the live session together. And then we'll do VL1, which is similar to BT1, but you'll start from the waist, over your apex, around the neck, and back down to your waist. That is your VL1. VL2 we'll also do in the live session together. And that is all the preparation that you have to do for your dress block.